Hi, I'm Bob. Let's continue to solve the last 4 exercises in this section about the firm's profit maximization. A firm follows a 2-step procedure to maximize its profit. In the first step, it decides the output level to maximize its profit. In the second step, it compares the revenue and the avoidable cost to determine whether to shut down. Let's find answers to exercise 2.5. The firm advertised on the radio that the same family had owned and operated the firm in the same location for half a century. It then made 2 claims. First, that it had lower overhead than other nearby auto dealers because it has owned this land for so long. And second, it charged a lower price for its cars because of its lower overhead. Discuss the logic of these claims. The overheads are variable costs. In the short run, the land is a fixed input and should not affect the variable cost. In the long run, the land can be seen as a variable input, and owning the land helps reduce the cost because the firm does not need to pay the rent. The lower cost helps the firm to earn a higher profit. In other words, the firm can charge a lower price, receive a lower revenue, and still make a positive economic profit. Let's try exercise 2.6. A firm's profit function is as follows. What is the positive output level that maximizes the firm's profit or minimizes its loss? What is the firm's revenue, variable cost, and profit? Should it operate or shut down in the short run? We use one of the output rules to choose the output level to maximize its profit. A firm sets its output where its marginal revenue equals its marginal cost. The profit maximizing output level is 4. The firm's revenue at this output level is 480. The variable cost is 320. The firm's economic profit is minus 40. The firm suffers a loss, but it should operate in the short run because its revenue is 480, which is more than the avoidable variable cost of 320. The firm should keep operating and incur a loss of 40. It's better than shut down and has a loss of the fixed cost of 200. Let's solve exercise 2.7. A firm's profit function is as follows. What is the positive output level that maximizes the firm's profit or minimizes its loss? What is the firm's revenue, variable cost, and profit? Should it operate or shut down in the short run? This exercise is similar to the last one. We use the output rule too this time. A firm sets its output where its marginal profit is 0. The profit maximizing output is 6. The firm's revenue is 1,800. The variable cost is 1,080. The firm's profit is 420 at this output level. it should operate in the short run because its revenue is more than its avoidable variable cost. A firm shuts down only if its revenue is less than its avoidable cost. Let's go to exercise 2.8. A firm decided to make decisions based on an alternative measure of profit, revenue minus variable cost. Will it pick the output that maximizes the usual measure of profit? Will it make the correct shutdown decision? If the firm omits the fixed cost in the profit calculation, it only makes the profit value larger than the correct one. It will not affect the firm's choice of output level to maximize its profit. The firm decides the output level by comparing two marginal terms. A firm sets its output where the marginal revenue equals the marginal cost. It has nothing to do with the fixed cost. On the other hand, the firm decides whether to shut down by comparing the revenue and the avoidable cost. The avoidable cost is usually the variable cost. If so, the shutdown decision has nothing to do with the fixed cost. However, if part of the fixed cost is avoidable, such as the firm can resell part of its machines, then ignoring the fixed cost could underestimate the avoidable cost and affect the shutdown decision. Thank you very much for solving the exercises with me. See you tomorrow. Goodbye. Thank you for watching this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. See you next time.